Hi everybody, welcome back to Simple Outdoors. Today I'm in the Simple Outdoors tool shed because it's kind of cold out there. It's going to be a short video. I wanted to do a shout out to a good friend of mine, Chris. He's got a 3D printer and he sent me something. He made some tent stake hooks to hook to the tarps and the tent. Now the original ones from eBay are really cheaply made with some cheap plastic. You can bend them. They're not good quality. In high winds, my friend has several 3D printers. And it's about probably 25 degrees Fahrenheit today. It is kind of cold out here. But anyways, he made some of these on his 3D printer with some, now I'm not familiar with the process of 3D printing with the materials, but it is definitely a lot higher quality material, plastic resin material, than the ones you get online. And plus, you get, I don't know, you get like 10 of these for like $5 on Amazon or cheap eBay stuff. But let's see if you can see that. So I made some of those, and he sent me a whole bunch of them. And with the old one, with the cheap ones, you can definitely feel a difference. They're more of like a soft, rubbery plastic, the cheap ones. And you can bend them. And a lot of times, sometimes they break in the cold. See, I can bend it, and it's bending back and forth. But the new ones, the ones he made, Chris, I'll leave his link in the description of his website. He makes a lot of different materials and items. He makes specialty tobacco smoking pipes, all kinds of stuff. And if you need a special order, I'm sure he's willing to come up with a design if you need something. But these ones here, I can't bend them at all. They won't give, they won't flex. And it's definitely a higher quality material. So I wanted to give a shout out to Chris, Catscootz. He also made some defense punchers. They're high plastic resin material, similar to brass knuckles, but yeah, these would do a little damage if you got into some trouble. But they're kitty punchers. Almost looks like Batman. So Steve the Transit Camper, if you can get a hold of Fat Batman, maybe he'll like some of these in his arsenal. But this is really good, high quality plastic material. You can also do carbon fiber. I want to try to get a hold of them and maybe go over there and see if we can make a couple different designs. I got some ideas for some tent stakes, tent pegs, some slider tensioner clips. Possibilities are endless, I guess, with 3D printing. He also makes magic pictures where it's amazing. It's a picture on a piece of plastic, but you only see a piece of plastic. But when you hold it up to a light bulb, like put it on a lampshade, it's a picture of whatever you want, a family photo, anything. But I'll definitely leave the link and his information in the description. But this is a high quality material too. Amazing. But my favorite, and I love you, Chris. Thank you so much. We used to hang out years ago, and then life got in the way, family, work, moved. But thank you so much, Chris. I'm definitely going to put these to good use, and I know it's good, top quality material. I'm going to put it to the test in all kinds of weather during camping. Cold, wind, rain, hot, heat. But I'm sure it'll withstand anything. I'm sure it'll withstand pretty much anything compared to the cheap eBay ones that in 40 degree Fahrenheit it gets cold and breaks. But this one here is the cheap eBay ones, and this one here is his nice one. And they're amazing. There might be a little plastic burr on one of the edges, but you just take an emery board or nail file or a piece of small soft sandpaper and just take the burr right off it. That's what I did. But he makes two different sizes of the defense punchers. I mean, it's basically a pointy plastic. Oh, look at that point. So be good to just have on your keychain along with your pepper spray. But you know, dog or a coyote or something, and this is all you had right next to you, at least it's something. A guy line here. And that. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. So I usually can feel the other ones flexing with the plastic, moving up like that. But these are great. Thank you so much, Chris. Had to give a shout out to you. And Paul from Weed in the Bush, I know you smoke rollies, but if you sometimes use some other smoking items, apparatuses, check out his 3D printed pipes. I don't know if he ships to Canada, but I'm sure he can ship to the US, or going through customs or whatever, just some paperwork. I don't know how that works, but could probably figure something out. I'll definitely leave his website in the description. But possibilities are endless. I'm thinking of making, coming up with a 3D drawing of different kinds of steaks, because if they're this quality plastic, I don't think I'll have a problem. I know these are metal. This is soft metal, aluminum, whatever, and sometimes in the hard soil or rocky gravel soil. I've bent so many of these on my last 3 camping trips. It's unbelievable. They're lightweight with the plastic too. Yeah, it's pretty much the same weight. So to go ultralight, it's an idea to come up with some kind of stakes, different shapes, designs, see what works best in the ground instead of maybe like a screw type or a jagged edge, pointy edges. So you pop it in, and then the little grooves will help stay it into the ground. So I might design something like that for them. But yeah, Fat Batman for Steve the Transit Camper. You might want, you know, Bat Cat. So thank you so much, Chris. I'll be definitely talking to you soon, some more. Maybe get out there sometime. But I just wanted to give a shout out to the Stealth Camping Alliance for Chris at catscootz. He also makes all kinds of custom fabricated panels for bikes, motorcycles, scooters, anything. So check out his website and see if you might be interested in something there. And if you have an idea of something 3D printed, he's pretty fair in price with labor and shipping and material costs. So it's unbelievable. I saw some of the videos of his 3D printer. It's amazing. It takes a while. I think it was like 20 of these or something. It took like 6 to 8 hours because it's bzz, 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 bzz. I don't know. But wanted to just show everybody what I got from Chris and give him a shout out. So I'm gonna head back in where it's nice and warm. So I want to thank you everybody for joining me on Simple Outdoors in the Simple Outdoors Tool Shed. So I'll catch you all on the next one. Bye everybody.
Way back in the woods, way back